Hey guys! Hey y'all! Guys, mag-usap nga tayo. Hi Jerry and Dave. Guys, let's talk. I have some questions. Parang ang OA nitong filter nito. Ang OA ba? Tell me if it's OA. OA ba? Is it OA? Thank you very much for responding, ha? Hi! Guys, OA ba tong filter na to? Hi, Shira Kardash. Guys, marami akong tanong. Ang tanong dito, sasagutin nyo ba yung tanong? Because I have so many questions. This time, pag nagla-live ako yung lagi nyong tinatanong. This time, ako naman magtatanong sa inyo. I'm the one who's gonna be asking questions, and you better answer. Hi, Shira Kardash. Miss you too. Okay. So my first question is, where do you guys watch videos more? On TikTok or here on IG? Like, saan kayo mas tumatambay? Ang gagaling. Walang sumasagot. Okay. Second question, bakit walang sumasagot? Sinong sumagot? Walang sumagot. Anong sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka mawawala? Guys, wala akong makitang sagot. Okay, IG. Okay. Next question is, what kind of videos do you want to see from me? And paano ko siya sisimulan? Like, dapat ba yung simula ng video ko is, welcome to a day in the life of pilot content creator, Air Force Army Reserve, dog lover, air release foodie, Shanika Silverio? Or, hey guys! Or, like, yung start niya is dapat, parang kung ano yung purpose ng video. Example, watch this if you want to get clear skin. Ganon. I just wanna do what the viewers want from me. Naiinis ako sa filter kanina. Masyado. Okay. A day in the life, tapos nasa air ka nagpapalipad ng plane. First intro. Okay, first intro. Okay, ano yun eh? A day in the life. Welcome to A Day in the Life, pilot content creator, Air Force Army Reserve, dog lover, air release, fashionista, foodie, Spartan finisher, businesswoman, dancer, air release, Shanika Silverio. Yun eh. Tapos, like, yung purpose ng video is, naka-text, ganon. I'm just trying to figure it out, you know. And what do you guys want to see more from me? Do you want to see more vulnerability, more behind-the-scenes stuff, more... Kasi parang minsan, like, of course, there are daily struggles. Sa title yung purpose. Like, sa caption sa screen or sa caption sa caption mismo sa text. Like, sa screen or dun sa ano. And also, do you guys want to see more behind the scenes stuff? Kasi minsan, like, umiiyak ako bago ako mag-post ng whatever. Cause like, I'm just struggling. Like, may video ako the other day. Umiiyak ako nung nagjo-journal ako. Kasi like, nasa stress lang ako sa life. Or gusto nyo glitz and glamour na like, end result agad. Hi, Green Fit Duke. Okay, so you guys want more behind the scenes stuff. Hala, nagpa-cute si ate girl kasi may cute na pumasok sa what do you call this? Sa live. Cute yun eh. Lagi siya nag-react sa stories ko. Pero hindi niya ako naiintindihan right now because I'm speaking Tagalog. Stock niya na. Eme. Yes. Okay. Guys. Let's be decent right now. Hala? No, I'm joking. But, joke ba talaga? You look so beautiful. Thank you. I'm actually so tired right now. Please do skincare real. Your skin is glowing. Girl, I always do skincare videos. What are you talking about? Nice meeting you last night. Oh, hi Jessica. I went to a concert last night with Danica. And oh my God, sige, kikwento ko na lang. Pwede ko ba ikwento yun dito? I was with Danica last night. Tapos whenever me and Danica kasi are magkasama, like whenever we're together, like there's always just something going on. Like something, may plot, may drama. Like not drama na sad drama, but there's just like a turn of events. So last night, we were together, kasama na naman kami, and ang saya na naman, laging masaya. And we ended up, after the concert, we watched Snow Allegra kasi yung kumanta na ng Time Doesn't Matter or ng It's not that I want you here, I don't want you here, yeah. Ang ganda ng songs niya. Anyway, after that, we went to the Vogue after party. Tapos, dun sa Vogue after party, andun kasi yung friend ko. Nandito ba si friend? Okay. Okay, wala si friend. Nice. May friend akong cute. As andun siya. Tapos, may kasama si friend na cute din. So, may nakilala kami ni Danica. Tag-isa kami. And then Korean yung isa, tas ang cute niya. He was giving, sino bang kamukha niyang Korean? Teka, manonood. Meron ako nakita kanina sa Netflix kamukha niya. Pero yung akin, hala yung akin talaga, inangkin. Hindi siya akin, but the one I was talking to. May Korean show kanina yung kamukha niya. Teka, hanapin ko. Bagal ng internet sa BGC. Oh my gosh. Or baka kasi hindi pa ako nagbabayad. Paano ba malalaman kung nagbayad na? Parang sabi naman June pa. May pa lang ah. I'm not half anything. I'm Filipino and a little bit of American. Where is it? Guys, ang bagal ng internet. Wait lang. Baka sa iPad mag-work. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. Okay. So, dulas. Hanapin ko siya. Wait lang ha. Hanapin ko siya for you guys. Kung sino yung kamukha niya. Ka lang. Hala. Give me a second, guys. Don't pressure me right now. You guys are so pressuring. Eme. Ayan na. Nakita ko na. Tingnan natin kasi may kamukha siyang Korean artist eh. Guys, hindi ako bastos. Hindi ako nanonood ng TikTok right now. Teka lang. Korean drama. Hala! Why did it play? Eto. Kamukha nyo to. Sino ba to? Ito. Basta kamukha nyo to. Pero mas matandang version. Like, mga 30. 31, 32. Ganon. Okay. Okay na. Moving on. So, parang nawala na ako ng gana ikwento. Anyway, I just went on live because I just want to ask for some feedback and just for some feedback. I just want to know what you guys want to see from me more. Content style, like tips. Pero syempre, hindi kayo mag-reply. Syempre, hindi nyo sasagutin yung tanong ko. I mean, as expected. Okay, someone recommended for me to do a skincare reel. Okay, how do you want that skincare reel to look like? Yun na lang. How do you want that skincare reel to look like? Kasi wala akong base foundation right now. Syempre, hindi nyo na naman sasagutin yung tanong ko, di ba? Manonood lang kayo. Ang hirap talaga makipag-communicate sa panahon ngayon. Sarili mo na lang talaga kakausapin mo. Kasi yung mga kausap mo, hindi ka sinasagot. So, nagmumukha ka na lang talagang tanga. Guys, I'm actually asking for feedback. I have to go to a birthday party today, and honestly, I'm just like so freaking lazy. Alam nyo guys, manonood na lang ako kasi wala namang sumasagot. Manood na lang kaya ako ng Netflix. Thank you, Steph. Sige, manonood na lang ako ng Netflix. Skincare because you have pretty face. Okay, I will do a skincare video, but how do you want the skincare video to look like? Like, do you want ASMR? Do you want in-depth explanation? How many minutes? Tapos syempre, hindi nyo na naman ako sasagutin. Stonewalling ang tawag dyan, guys. You're stonewalling me. Sige, magtitigan na lang tayo right now. Wala na lang magsasalita sa live na to. I bet ASMR. Oh, I already did an ASMR. There's one here. I did the Liza Soberano one. I did that. Nakakatunaw yung ganda mo.
LV, you sent me.
Thank you. Right now, I want to go outside, go to the grocery store, and buy a nail cutter. Ang random nung nail cutter, no? Pero kasi, ano nangyari kay Miss Yasi? Can you be more specific? I wanna buy a nail cutter. And type ko lang mag-cut ng nails tonight. Even though sabi ng matatanda, wag mag-cut ng nails at night because of a superstitious belief. And then, bumili ng takeaway kasi tinatamad akong maghugas ng plates. Alam niyo, gusto ko sana gumawa ng mga Asoka Challenge and Mahalin Mo ang Pilipinas Challenge. Pero, nalilate kasi ako eh. Tapos pagka nalilate ka, like, hindi naman super late, pero like, hindi ko lang siya nagagawa right immediately. Tapos parang ang dami na nag-entry ng sobrang ganda. Tapos parang like, nakaka-intimidate na mag-post kasi grabe yung production level nila. As in like, hindi ko alam kung binayaran ba nila yung mga sumayaw sa kalsada, tapos nagrenta ba sila ng kalsada, tapos like nagrent ba sila ng banda, tapos like may sumasayaw na group, like may sumasayaw sa kalsada eh. Tapos gets ko pa yung mga sa studio eh, pero yung nasa labas, hindi ko na alam ano nangyari, paano nangyari yun. Like, parang nakaka-intimidate na mag-send ng entry. Oh, thank you. I don't want to do the Asoka challenge. I never released a video why you and Uzer got separated. I actually want to release the full video. I have 4 more episodes, but I think I should release it next month. Ayun. Hi, Nino Nomad. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for sharing this silence with me. Hi, Prim Stranger. I really love your skin, Kekenj. Thank you, Kekenj. You know, honestly, skincare is such a good investment. Like, if there was something that I would spend on, it would probably be skincare because, like, it's better to prevent than to cure. So, prevention of, like, you know, aging, preventing from, like, getting, you know, sensitized to products, like mag-react. But I do make sure na if there is a cheaper option that does the same effect, I will do that. But if there is not, and it is like the best of the best, I shall buy that. Alright, thank you for the video. No, thank you so much for watching this live and sharing this moment with me. I'm actually so tired. Galing ako sa photoshoot kanina. And I just needed to chill, calm down, and then, you know, relax. And then later on, I'm gonna go buy some food. Yeah, bye.